Our hand position for the William Tell Overture is in middle C, shared with our thumbs, and taking a white key for the remainder of our fingers. Okay, we're going to begin this piece on the left hand. We have to play the notes staccato, which means we bounce them. Like this. So all the notes will be bounced rather than joined up. So we start with that left hand and we play 3 4s. We do it again, and we do 2 more. Now we go to the right hand, 1, 2, 3. Go back to the left on that 4 again, 3 of them. 2 more, middle C with the left, up to the right, 3, 3, 2, back to the left, 2 and a 4. Left again, 3 more of them, 2 more, and back to the right, 1, 2, 3, right again, 1, 3, 5, hold that, play 2 and 4 in the left, and again, go into 4 in the right, 4, 3, 2, now we move our left hand down a note, we play finger 5 left with 1 on the right, 3 left with 3 right, and back to 5 left with 1 right. So that's the first section of William Tell Overture. So let's just hear what that sounds like with a bit of practice.